Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis or sunlight is essential for photosynthesis. This is an experiment which is present in our first chapter nutrition, one of the important experiments. So for any kind of experiment there is an aim. So our experiment aim is to prove that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. So for doing this experiment we need some apparatus, nothing but materials. They are potted plant with broad leaves. You may see that in the diagram. Black paper, some clips and iodine test kit. So next step is a procedure. Before going to procedure, we have to destarch the potted plant. Means before doing this experiment, we have to destarch the leaves of our potted plant. Okay, destarch means removing of starch, otherwise we may not get a proper results. So for that we have to remove starch by keeping this plant in dark for 7 days or 1 week. After destarch, take that potted plant and select any one of the leaves of that particular plant. Then take a black paper which contains any kind of design. Here I took the design which look like alphabet B. You can take any kind of alphabet shape like A, C, D, E, F, triangle, circle, star, etc. Attach this black paper on the any one of the leaf with the help of clips. Next, keep this entire plant in the sunlight up to 2 to 3 hours. After completion of 2 to 3 hours, detach the leaf which we have attached black paper to do iodine test. After iodine test, what will be our observation? So we will observe that the leaf parts which received sunlight, they turned into blue black because that parts are exposed to sunlight. As a result, they prepared starch. The remaining parts which are not exposed to sunlight because there is a black paper. So this black paper, it prevents the falling of sunlight on the leaf. So those parts did not turn into blue black. They remain colorless due to the absence of starch. So we can conclude that green plants need sunlight for photosynthesis, during which starch is produced. In this experiment, we have to take one precaution, that is, before doing this experiment, we have to destarch the leaves. Here you can see some model questions which will be given to your examinations. Hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you for watching my channel.